Hello, I will demo in this video how to use a new version of the VS Code Camel Textual Debugger. It allows, it really simplifies the way to connect the debugger. If you were familiar with previous version, you needed to provide the PID, which was changing every time you are launching your Camel application. It is no more the case. So now, I'm doing the demo with the Camel main example where we can see that there is a specific profile with a Camel debug dependency. So I launch already the application with it. So you can see that it is running here. And I have a VS Code launch configuration, really simple now, just with the type, which is really important of Apache Camel. And so if I hit F5, it is launching the debugger. We can see that it is attached. I can go to my camel root, and if I put a breakpoint on it, it will stop, and then you can enjoy your debugging session.